Ready?
All right, nine.
No updates yet.
It's hole 9.
Extra chai.
Yeah, get cinnamon powder on top, please.
Of course.
And that'll be it.
All right, that's all for the order?
Yep.
Okay, it's going to...
They legit hit that pole when they parked. And they left it there. Strange things are afoot at the Circle K. We're here in Tempe, Arizona. This is the filming location from Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, the Circle K. When they meet Rufus, the most bodacious dude. I can go over there?
Yeah, go over there.
Rufus, hey dude! The most bodacious dude. This is where they were. They were just sitting right here trying to figure out how to get good grades. And then Rufus comes soaring in over there on their journey. Hey, do you know when the Mongols ruled China? We have arrived here in Gilbert at Joe's Farmhouse Grill. Look at that tree. That place was way too packed, so we're gonna go to Culver's. Neither of us have had it, and we're pretty hungry. We're number 54 at Culver's. I'm eating their fries. What'd you get?
Fries and a burger.
And a burger. I'm doing my own pet peeve here. One of my biggest pet peeves is people who don't turn right on red. And my second biggest pet peeve is people who don't rack their weights at the gym. And my third biggest pet peeve is people who sit there and grab a bag fry on the way out of the drive-thru. Grab a fry out of the bag is what I meant to say.
Or a bag fry.
But I mean, it's like you're holding up the line and you can't wait to eat that fry until you get out of the line. I mean, shame on me for doing that, really. In my defense, we were in a designated waiting area, so it really wasn't a line at that point. But still, we have a system. This is teamwork at its finest. If you're sitting in the passenger seat, you're the fry beep, meaning you have to hold the bag fry for the driver to eat. I was the fry beep yesterday.
What is up with bag fry?
The bag fries. The bag of fries.
Bag of fries.
Bag fries. All right, so we're gonna go to downtown Phoenix real quick for Brit trips. But after that, we're gonna go play putt-putt. All right, so we went down to the pool for about an hour and a half, got a little bit of a sunburn, and I did a thing. I just realized I can't have half a sunburn on my face. Gotta do it all.
He said he wanted his Crocs. All right, up next, he said he wanted a Bud Light. Ready? No.
The last time I tried to catch one of these from like 4 stories was at our wedding in Cabo. Your sister threw it to me because you were getting ready and I wasn't allowed to see her. And I tried to catch it from like 50 or 60 feet, and the only thing that it hit was this pinky finger.
Oh, that's right.
Remember, my finger
I
was
do
so
remember that.
swollen. There's the water park. We're not allowed to bring our own beer. And she's not a rebel. I said, I'll just stand over by the exit gate. You just go in and I'll come around and let me in.
I'm not a rebel.
Yeah, me neither. And here is the River Ranch, which is the big water park here. They've got a lazy river, tennis courts, basketball courts. Here are the hours of operations. So we're inside now. Check in here if you want to play the mini putt-putt, which is what we're going to do. You can get your clubs and balls here. Here's the water slide. Check out this pool. Yes? Yeah. And of course, they have complimentary water here. So just help yourself. These are stationed throughout the entire park here. Volleyball, cabanas. What color did you get?
I'm purple.
I gotta have a different color. He picked pink. Here's another pool, and there's the lazy river there that you can go around the park. So just grab yourself a tube and hop on in. Some basketball games going on. We are going to play putt-putt, and this is all free. It comes with your resort fee. All right, hole number 1. We are playing. We're just going to do every hole as a par 3 because since we didn't get a scorecard. She read the green. I think she'll birdie.
I think it reads right to left. Man, this is tall. That's a hard left.
Can't give it to you. Can't give it to you. Sorry.
You're joking. Look at it.
That's 3. That's a par. Par's through 1. This one's tricky. The pin's hidden behind the rock here. Ooh. A fierce putt. Gonna play the rebounds. Not bad.
I'm happy with that.
That'll be a birdie.
All right. He's up.
We're keeping legit score here.
I know.
The winner, the loser, has to wake up to check in for the flight at like 6 a.m. I can't put this way. This is not good.
Oh no.
I'm trying to bounce. I'm trying to play rocks. That's par. That's 3.
That's 4.
Okay.
That's 5.
For birdie.
-1.
+2, -1. We'll give you guys an update after 9. Hole 3. We're on the other side of the park here. The back side. Got bathrooms. Again, water in here. Ice water. We need to go to hole 4. Beer break. So we've gone through 4.
I don't want a large farmer.
She's +1, I'm +5. Look at this one. Hole number 5. She did have a scholarship for golf. So I should probably have like a +20 handicap against her.
Oh no, no, no.
It's just the desert.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Didn't go down. For par.
Right.
For +2.
That's 1. Oh, yeah. Stop it.
All right, 9.
No updates yet.
It's hole 9. We're going to hole 10. You want me to
I'm,
go first or do you want to go first?
You go first, by all means.
I'm +8. I'm +8.
I'm +12.
But again, we're playing 3 pars on all these, so we don't have a card or anything. We're just kind of going with the flow.
And there's sticks and rocks and all kinds of other obstacles.
Yeah, I just
Like,
managed to go
not
around those.
Automatic obstacles.
All the sticks and rocks here.
Oh, you picked the 1 pebbles.
Yeah, that's the point. I'm going to get a hole-in-one on this. Seriously.
Let's see. All right.
Distance. The line
You
was
can't
good,
see it because the shadow, but
The line was good.
don't worry, it's coming back to. Oh, a pebble caught it. Hole in one right here. Oh no. Okay, at least.
You got a good spot though. Hole 13, I'm working with a 7. She's on a 11, right? We both dropped a point. Okay, let's do this.
Breaks left a little bit.
Ooh, nice one. Nope. Ooh. Hoping mine doesn't go.
Hoping it doesn't go off the green stuff. It's done that like 5 times already. It was her idea to film this hole. Just saying. This golf course is designed to be all around this lazy river. She says she's gonna get another hole-in-one. No. Wow. The golf course just placed perfectly all around the lazy river. We've got audiences that come by and hold their breath for our shots to cheer us on. Excuse me. Can you mark your ball, please? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. She's just going to play through. Bingo. Par. What the heck kind of tree is this? All right, hole 18. She's 14. I'm 13. This is what it comes down to. What are you playing?
I'm playing
Up the gut or?
the right corner.
Okay.
Oh, I'm playing left corner.
Update. Got one stroke. Okay. She's got a par. This is my bogey shot. So if I don't make this, I lose.
So if he makes this, we tie. If he doesn't, I win.
It's a tough shot. I'm
Look at this guy. Not a care in the world. Except for that curve. We have journeyed over to the big pool. For the boys! So you're gonna take one of the towels that you're not supposed to take. You couldn't let me sneak in the back with a beer can. She's a rebel. We have two different definitions of rebels. 5:40 Sunday night.
It was packed earlier.
It was packed. Well, not that. Well, we parked right there. Either way, yeah, there was limited spots. Everyone's gone to dinner, and we are going to follow suit. We're thinking
Buffalo Wild Wings.
B-dubs. My bad. I didn't mean to cut you out. Flex check. Uh-oh. Wow. Yes. We're at our third B-dubs. And here's why. I guess I should turn the car off before we go in. The first Buffalo Wild Wings we went to, there was so many people outside, homeless people, who were up to suspicious activity, like opening car doors in the parking lot and going through bags. So we were like, yeah, I don't want to deal with insurance and a rental car and broken cars and any of that stuff. So we didn't go there. And then we went to a Buffalo Wild Wings Go, which neither of us had ever heard of that before. So apparently it's like a satellite only to go and pick up Buffalo Wild Wings. So we walk in and we're like, can we sit at the bar? And they're like, no, you can sit here. There's like a waiting table. So we left. It is pretty long. Hey, what's up, everybody? We are in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're on the north side. We're gonna do a little night drive. Back from dinner, and we're gonna go back to the pool. Big check. We're on the wrong floor. We're on the third floor. Said you gotta go up to 4. I hope you didn't scare them either, because I don't have a shirt. You scare them, they come out and see me with no shirt, I might scare them more. They'd be like, who is this guy? Who's this shirtless guy at my door trying to break into my room? Is there any other rooms that you want to try to get into before we get to the pool? I really want to see a scorpion in its natural habitat, but also maintain distance. Look at that one. I'm taking the elevator up, check this out. That reflection. So here we go. Reflection's still there. She's like, this guy? Really? Fair. Sure. All right, which room are we gonna try to get into tonight?
Ice, ice, baby. Da, na, 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 na. Ice, ice, baby.
All right, guys, we'll cut the video here. Gonna look at what we can get into mañana. Bye.